When exporting a rubric from Teams, the format can often be unusable, and we need to spend time to resize columns, change the wrapping, and so on. We've built a macro that can help to do this, and I'll show you how. First, use the link that's provided in this YouTube video to access the file. Right-click and download. Or if the link doesn't work, you can go to our M365 Apps Support and Collaboration team, General, Files, and rubrics macro, and you can go ahead and right-click and download that there. When you open it in the full version of Excel, it may present you with a security warning, letting you know that macros have been disabled. You'll need to click on Enable Content. If it asks to make this a trusted source, please click Yes. From here, we need to go to the export and copy the contents into this sheet. So we'll go here, select everything by clicking the corner button, right-click and go to Copy. From there, go back into the rubrics macro, right-click and paste. From here, we click onto the View tab, find Macros, click on the drop-down and go to View Macros. We're looking for the Clean rubrics macro and then click on Run. That will format this spreadsheet into something that's a little bit easier to read. You can then select the lot, copy, and paste that into a different document. You can also press Ctrl, Shift, and R together, and that will also run the macro.